All right, good morning, YouTube. Today, it's going to be Eric with Precision Pressure Wash doing the walk around and doing most of the talking and most of the working because my helper is not here. He's coming later. He works at night, so I'm trying to work with him. But let's show you guys what we got. We're doing all this sidewalk. No rust removal, just a clean. And we got this massive 2-car driveway. Ain't really nothing. We are gonna go ahead and clean all the soffits, exterior of the gutters, the drip edge around the house, which right there, you guys, shed. You can't see it. I'll wait till we get in the sun, but we're doing this all the way around. We got lichen up there. That's gonna take a little pump up action. Right here, it's a little dirty. It's about the same dirty. That one's real bad because of this maple tree. Gonna come out good. We're gonna go heavy with the eliminator today so it really sticks on there. It's cold. I don't know if you guys noticed, I'm all bundled up. High peak. Probably put the shooter tip on for that. We got this whole front porch though. The whole front of the house we're doing. Obviously this is the property line. Sidewalks do. Definitely gonna have some tanning. This piece isn't bad, but we are gonna do the whole front of the house. Got some growth on the pillars. You guys can see it. I'll be sure to come over here and give you a good after. But we're going to be doing the deck. Painted surfaces. This is all going to be with the X-Jet nozzle. Look at this, guys. Railings. Just more dirt. Oh, this place is going to look great, guys. Look at this. It is really cold, so it's gonna have to dwell. That's cool, I don't care. I'm not gonna be in a hurry today. I'm literally freezing, guys. It's Baltic. It's like low 40s. Here's the rest of the sidewalk. We're gonna do it right down to there. He is not doing the curbs. I tried to get him, threw it in for a good deal, but he's not concerned with that. Which is fine with me, but yeah, guys, this is it. Look at this sidewalk here. We got a really high peak here. Shooter tip action. And then I forgot to show you guys in the front, there's an upper level. I'm hoping the sun's not gonna, but there's that little dog house up there. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's really dirty. We're doing that too. All right, guys, so I don't really know exactly how much filming I'm gonna do and all that. It's the first time I've tried doing any filming when he's not here, so you guys are gonna have to bear with me. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, starting it off by just doing prep, we're gonna go ahead and tape this up. All right, guys, covered this. Anytime you have a keypad electronic, it's basically what I do there every time. Coming around, I don't see any more lights or anything that I need to cover. All right, guys, show you a little more of the stuff that goes on that we don't usually show. Go ahead and get our soap bucket set up. We're gonna go 2 dashes. That should be good. Put a ball valve on. Guys, I'm undecided if I'm just gonna pre-treat the sidewalks with a downstream and then probably have to pull out the 12 volt. I don't know. Or do I pre-treat with like 3% and make this easy? Still undecided. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead, pull the hoses out, figure out the best way to maneuver around and be able to get the shots and get the work done. And we'll pick back up when I figure that out. All right, guys, I'm gonna start by turbo nozzling around all the edges. All right, guys. Now we're gonna start pre-wetting all the painted surfaces. I got my reinforcements with me now. Things are gonna start flying. Give the plants just a little something. It's just a downstream mix. Just a habit.
I don't know if he said anything about it yet today, guys, but it is flipping cold.
Yeah, I know. They saw me wearing my little hoodie and stuff.
I got here at 12 and it's still freezing.
A lot of different angles, guys.
Especially on the front.
Always in celebration. But we love working in here, guys.
Alright, y'all, no more pre-wetting. Now it's the real deal. This is soap. SH. All that good stuff. Alright, y'all. Front porch is done, which is the hardest part that we had left. Now we just got the soffits to do, which we should be able to fly, and we're also just gonna hit around any of the windows that have some green or are dirty, just so it doesn't look bad. And that's what we got going on, y'all, so stay tuned.
We gotta hit the gate. There's a green gate right over there, guys. I'll probably forget. Mark my words. Probably forget. This X-Jet on here. Change my O-ring and I can barely get the damn tips off. You know we're gonna hit the glass. Probably should have had the soap hit that one more time. What do you think, guys? Is it gonna come off, or are we gonna get the pump up?
I'm definitely saying pump up.
Especially because it's cold.
If it's still green, then wow. Like I was saying, if you see any marks left, that is actually the paint that is missing on the soffits. Fortunately, obviously nothing we could do about that, but
It's just down to the bare aluminum guys.
yeah. But as for the mold and stuff, the downstream really ate that stuff up. I apologize, downstream. Oh, that water's cold. Alright, y'all, this should be the final little push here. Just got the low soffits. And then this gate, that's all that we have left. Should fly by pretty quickly. Obviously, we're pre-wetting right now.
The front was a pain.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, guys, with all those pillars and the railings, all those different squares.
And y'all didn't see, we actually even got up on the roof, did some spots with the pump
I had to
up.
get up there with the 5, guys. That spot I showed you on the top in the beginning.
Required some extra love, y'all.
Definitely gotta wet these banana trees. That's 2 videos in a row where there's banana trees after I said we never encountered banana trees.
And this one actually has bananas on it, y'all. Look at this. Look at that. That's pretty cool.
Alright guys, this stuff came out amazing. Can't really tell with our shitty camera. When we hit 1,000 subs, I'll buy a real camera, guys.
Don't hold them to that, y'all.
I swear. We're so far from it, I ain't worried about it.
Is this you indiscreetly asking them to subscribe?
No, I mean, to be honest, guys, people are watching our videos. We don't get nobody subbing, but they watch them, so I'm gonna keep pumping them out with the help of my partner here, because I can't edit worth a damn. Alright guys, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna start rinsing in here, let that stuff soak on that lichen around the corner. Rinse my way out of here. I did not forget to hit the gate.
Thank goodness.
He reminded me anyways. Alright guys, we're done. It's freezing, it's soaked. You guys remember, we'll put up some befores of this stuff. Just to get an idea what this looked like, go show them the curb. I mean, even I forget how bad it was since I've been here. Again guys, I downstream pre-treat. I did double coat it, let it sit for a while. And the only post-treating I did was just with a pump up for sun tanning.
Yeah.
All right, guys, here's the porch. You remember all these. Look at this, man. Look how freaking white this is. Look at the ceiling. I'm very happy with how this came out, guys. I love washing a nice house. I love washing houses, but I really love washing them when they look like this when you're done. Look at this, guys. Look at that. This is no filter. Straight Android. Look at the glass. Look at that beautiful sky. All right, we're not gonna do a crazy long walk around, but this part, guys, I gotta show you because this was grimy. Floor came out great as usual. Painted floors always clean up good. I'm gonna take you back out here and zoom in on the top, guys. I did have to get up there to clean that. It was really bad, 5% on that windowsill. Look at that, guys. That's like a stinking postcard. All right, and then I'm not gonna get crazy with the walk around. The main change is right here in the front, but we did all these soffits. Now the wind stops all the way down. Look how crispy that is, guys. It's a satisfying job. It really is. All this. Up to the peak. We did hit the windows because the window frames had a little green on them. You know I can't leave it like that. Drip edge, all that, man. Every bit of it came out really good. I'm super glad my helper showed up at noon when he did. It's very hard working and filming by yourself. So you guys who do it, hats off. Hats off. It's still gonna be whiter. There's where it's kind of dry, guys. And then this back, there it is. We ain't gonna go inside. There's the gate. But it all looks good, guys, legit. Again, it's a 4 gallon a minute with a 16-inch whisper wash. Getting it done, guys. Go ahead and sub, like, comment. I'll answer you guys' comments. I really don't talk about pricing because it's a cutthroat area. So anything else we can help you with, go ahead and comment down below and we'll get back to you.